There is one thing that really sets the Voyager series from Level 8 cases apart, and I'm gonna show you exactly what that is in this video. Let's get to the wide handle. Why I really like this wide handle so much. On a lot of carry-ons or other luggage with handles, you have a giant awkward lump right in the middle, and you kind of have to pack around it. You're folding your clothes, or maybe you're sticking your underwear on one side and socks on the other, and then you're stacking everything like a lasagna. You don't have to do that with this bag. 100% flat space in here because of the wide handle. So that's really, really cool. And we know that every inch counts, especially when you're traveling with a carry-on. Now, it feels like it's a small bag. It feels like the capacity might not be as much because you have both of these closed sides, but it's not. It's actually 43-liter capacity, and most 20-inch carry-ons fall between 35 and 45. So this is actually on the higher end.